So question for Indigo, value of pi up to 3 decimals. Indigo. Very 17. Right, good. Correct. 9 can be written as sum of cubes of two numbers. The two in two ways. What are the two ways? You know the answer? Oh, no? The question passed. Next group. Very good. Correct, sir. 1 mark, sir. Red 1 mark. Right, question for yellow. What is the cube root of 1720? Cube root of 1728. Remaining groups you can try. Don't sit silently. 17. Next one, orange. Within 15 to 20 seconds you have to answer. Ask next. Well, correct, sir. Red 1 mark. Next one, question for orange. Diagonal of a cube formula. Diagonal of a cube whose side is A units. Diagonal of a cube. Very good. Correct, sir. Root 3A. 2 marks. Question to red. Quadratic formula for the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Years are there in a decade? Decade means how many years? Correct, sir. 10 years. Question to Indigo. Correct. Yellow 1 mark, sir. Orange. Next question to green. Who is the father of statistics? Father of statistics. Past. No. Past orange. Huh? Past red. Violet, indigo, last blue. Question to yellow mark. Circumference of a circle formula. Right, correct. Yellow 2 marks, sir. Next, orange. What is the formula for finding volume of cylinder? Any guess? Passed. Daily doing study or you are practicing there? Loud reading. Volume of cylinder. Passed. Passed. Indigo. Very good. Indigo 1 mark, sir. Question 2. Orange, huh? Right, question to Yura. Now it is passed question, no? Right? Right, question to Yura. What is the formula for finding volume of cone? Volume of cone. Passed. Passed. Violet. 1 by 3. IRQ. Passed. Indigo. Almost all correct, right? Indigo 1 mark. Question to red, volume of sphere. Formula. Volume of sphere. Passed. Violet. 4 by 3. Pi r square. Passed. Very good. Indigo. Indigo 1 mark. Right, question to Violet. Total surface area of hemisphere, which will be in the shape of bowl. 3. Right, correct, sir. Violet 2 marks. Expansion of a minus b whole cube. Expansion of a minus b whole cube. Very good. Sir, Indigo 2 marks, sir. Hey, audience, you had encouraged them, right? This is correct answer. Next, question to you. Sum of n terms of AP formula. Sum of n terms of AP arithmetic progression. First green. A into first yellow. That is mean, ma. I am asking about sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Next, this one you can answer. 3. Nth term of an AP arithmetic progression. A into first yellow. Nth term of AP arithmetic progression. Each lesson is already completed, right? What do you remember? Orange. Hello, me. Next, right? Question passed. Blue. Correct. So 1 mark to blue, sir. Right, question to blue, right? Using only addition, how many eggs? 8 eggs. To get sum as 1000. By using only addition, you have to use 8 eggs and the sum must be 1000. Remaining you can try. Use 8 eggs. By doing only addition, the sum must be equals to 1000. We'll do one thing. Now 5 questions are left. For each question, I will give 5 marks. If you say correctly. But all these 5 are tricky questions. You must try. She passed green. You have 8 eggs. By doing addition, only addition. How can you make the sum as 1000? Sum must be equals to 1000. 8 eggs.
125 times 8.
You have 8s, that to 8 number, 8s. Use that values, the digits, whatever it may be, numbers or digits. Use only 8s and do addition, the sum must be equals to 1000. Asked yellow. Tricky question, I said no. Green, orange. 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Sum will be equals to 1000. Very good, right? 5 marks, 5 marks here. Yeah. Next question to which one, man? What you are? Green. Completed, sir. Now question is passed, I think. Alright, green. Again, 5 mark question ready. What are the 3 numbers whose sum and product is same? Numbers whose sum as well as product both are same. 3 numbers I am saying. 3 numbers whose sum as well as product both are same. Green 0. Oh, yeah. 3 numbers whose sum. Very good, Rob. 5 marks. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6, as well as their product also is equals to 6. Again 5 mark question. 1 mile is equals to how many feet? 1 mile is equals to how many feet? Or 4 hours use the word miles, right? 1 mile is equals to how many feet? Huh? Passed. Orange. Fast, right? 1 mile is equals to how many feet? 5 miles. 8 rep.
6, 8 to 12. Indigo 12.
Indigo 12.
Blue 4.
Blue 4.
Green 5.
Green 5.
Yellow 4.
Yellow 4.
Orange 10.
Orange 10.
Red 7.
Red 7. And the leading team is Indigo with 12 marks, followed by Orange 10 marks, next followed by Violet 8 marks. Okay, now all the best.
Orange.
Okay.
Question for orange team. What is the complementary angle of 72 degrees is? Complementary angle of 72 degrees is. Good run. Yellow team got 2 marks. And the question for orange team. What is the greatest number found by using digits 0, 2, 5 and 8? What is, question not for you, question for orange. What is the greatest number found by using digits 0, 2, 5 and 8? That numbers you have to use once. Very good. Orange got 2 points. And the question for red team. What is 1/4 of 8 is? 1/4 of 8. One-fourth of 8. Question for violet team. What is 1/4? Very good run. 1 point, sir.
Hey, you have to say loudly.
The word Olympiad, what fraction of words are vowels? How many vowels are there in Olympiad? Olympiad. Write the spelling Olympiad. What fraction of words are vowels? Very good, Ra. Question for Indigo team. Expanded form of 42,958 is. Expanded form of 42,958 is.
Take the mic.
40,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 8. Very good, Rakla, for him. And the question for B2. Convert 2,845 meters into kilometers. Convert 2,845 meters into kilometers. You have to say in both kilometers and meters.
Question pass.
Question for green team. 45 meters. Very good, Rakla, for him. Green team for 1 mark. And the question for green team. Number of factors of 36 is.
Right factors.
Write the factors for 36. Idiot. Question for yellow team. Number of factors of 36. 9. Very good, Rak. Clap. And the question for yellow team. What is 50 in Roman numerals? 50. Very good. Yellow team got 2 marks. Which number is a divisor of all numbers? Which number is a divisor of all numbers? 1. Very good, mark. Clap. The question for red team. 6 tens plus 36 ones equal to 6 tens plus 36 ones. Add both numbers. 6 tens plus 36 ones.
91.
Wrong. Question pass. Question for yellow team. 36 tens. 6 tens plus 36 ones. 96. Very good, Raj. Team. A man takes 3 days. A man takes 3 days to walk 45 kilometers. In how many days will he walk 75 kilometers? A man takes. Very good, Ra. Question for Indigo team. The smallest number exactly divisible by 3, 4, 6 and 8 is. Write the numbers 3, 4, 6, 8 and 8. And 8. 3, 4, 6, 8. Smallest, sir. 24. Very good. And the quotient to 65 degrees to make it a right angle. Very good. Blue team got 2 marks. $50 is what percent of 75? 50 is what percent of 75? Last question for yellow. 50 is what percent of 75?
37.5.
Can you say in fraction? No. Question for orange? Nana? No. Question? Last question for red team. 50 is what percent of 75? Question for yellow. C. Question for violet.
200 by 3.
Very good, Ra. Red got 1. Question for yellow. Supplementary angle of 175 degrees is 175. 5. Very good. Yellow team got 2 points. Question for orange team. A bus covers 400 kilometers in 8 hours. What is the average speed of bus is? A bus covers 400 kilometers in 8 hours. The average speed of bus is 50 what? Kilometer per? Very good. Orange 2 marks. And the question for red team. Find the area of square whose perimeter is 48 meters. Find the area of square whose perimeter is 48 meters.
144 meters square.
Very good.
Actually, 8 class you must not have an idea.
As fractions have the same denominators. Very good. Question for indigo. If cost of 1 kg grapes is 80 rupees, what is the cost of 250 grams grapes? Cost of 1 kg grapes is 80 rupees. What is the cost of 250 grams?
Now anyone can answer that from all the classes. Area of a quadrilateral formula. Area of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Say loudly. Next. Bring question passed. Area of quadrilateral. Passed. Hello. Next pass, orange. Next pass, red. Very good, red. One more, man.
Yes.
What is the formula for finding area of rhombus?
Half into D1 into D2.
Very good, agreeing 2 marks. What are the angles of an right isosceles triangle? What are the interior angles of right isosceles triangle? Angles of right isosceles triangle. Orange. Very good. Orange, one mark now. Orange. What is the exterior angle of an equilateral triangle? Exterior angle. If one of the side is produced, then you will get an exterior angle. What will be the measure of exterior angle? Exterior angle of equilateral triangle. Question passed. 120, correct. Within time you have to say, right? If the last question, right? If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then the quadrilateral is those. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then the quadrilateral is
Rectangular square.
wrong. It must be a parallelogram, right? Now we will reveal your scores. Violet score.
Sir, violet 8.
Any guesses, sir? Who will be the winner? Orange. Still any guesses? Indigo. Red. I think green. Right, and the winner is with 21 marks. Orange. Claps. Followed by violet, 18 marks. Second place. Followed by indigo, 17 marks. And remaining scores are blue, 9 marks, green, 9 marks, yellow, 11, and red with 13 marks. And final winner is orange. Congrats, man.
So the winners of today are being given the prizes. I would request Principal Sir to come forward, distribute the prizes to the students who have participated.
పర్లేదు